guys, I know lots of you have been waiting for my English video for like a while, so I thought today's topic would be a great fit. I'm sure you guys already have an idea of what I'm gonna do in this video with this outfit. Yep, I'm gonna do a Princess Jasmine makeup makeover from Aladdin because it's Halloween season again. As lots of you might have already noticed that my makeup skills are like so basic. It just looks super boring every day. I wear the same makeup every day. It doesn't change much. Even if it does change, it just still looks the same. But I always believe practice makes perfect. Today is going to be a big challenge for me. I really hope it works though, because I've been practicing for like over 10 times in the past 1.5 weeks. And it's so difficult. I don't know how all those makeup artists have done it. It's so like you need a really good makeup skill to do like a crease, your makeup, your eyeshadow, your lashes, like your highlighting, contouring, everything just have to be like on point. If not, it's just gonna be like weird and like a massive failure. So I really hope it works today. Right, so I will not be talking later while doing makeup because I feel like if I do speak, it will just get messed up real quick. But I'll make sure I put all the information down below in the information box so you guys will still be able to know what products I use, what not, etc. Alright, so I don't want my bare face to be on the cameras today for any longer. So let's get started! So this is my look for my Princess Jasmine. What do you guys think? Let me know. Please comment below. Let me know. Guys, I'm so excited! After 1.5 weeks of practicing, 10 times of, you know, applying makeup, removing wrinkles, everything, finally come to an end. I did it. Literally, I am so happy. You guys wouldn't have an idea of how relieved I am. Alright, so hope you guys loved today's video because I personally love it. So guys, if you love today's video, if you love my look of my makeover, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe me on the channel. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.